What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter, and today I have an absolute behemoth of a toy hauler for you, coming in at 16,000 pounds. It is the 2021 Voltage 4225, and this thing is awesome. MSRP of nearly $150,000, a sale price much lower than that. Make sure to hit me up at hunter@thervhunter.com if you want some pricing information. But I think you're going to absolutely love this camper. And make sure, if you like videos, make sure to like and subscribe, maybe even comment. Your boy's got a baby on the way, so I'm really trying to get this going. Make a couple extra bucks. Finally got to monetize my channel. But let's go ahead and start in the living room. It looks great. There's plenty of extra sleeping in this thing, and it just makes this camper so much better. It is a very large camper, but you still need sleeping space, and this gives it to you. So we'll start off right here. You got good storage all the way around this big old TV. Show you a couple of these. It just goes around and around and around. Plenty of place to store all your crapola. Right there, you got your hookup for your DVD player, your inside, outside speakers, which I'll show you on the outside tour here at the end if you stick around. And then right here, Furrion brings the heat from the sun right to your living room. That thing gets hotter than necessary for sure. Right here, you got some nice recliners, which you can lay down there, those quick draw kind, so you can really, you can definitely get some good sleep in there. Another set of recliners, the same way. Plenty of good sleeping options there if you just want to chill out, watch some TV, maybe watch a football game, or just hang out with the family sitting up. And bam, another place for recliners. So 3 sets of recliners in this living room, which on toy haulers, as most of us know, if you guys are into camping, you can never get enough sitting space in a toy hauler, because typically you're hitting the trail, you're roaming around with all your buddies, and all that good stuff. So sitting spaces are never going to go to waste, that's for sure. A really nice large pantry just to the left of the refrigerator. We know what we do there, but not many campers have this kind of capabilities as far as the pantry is concerned. Norcoal refrigerator. It's a big boy. Open this up for you. And I hope you're having a wonderful day. I know that it is, we're getting drilled with snow here. We got about 8 to 10 inches in Cincinnati, Ohio area last night. It was freaking crazy. Typically the weathermen are absolute liars. They say, 3 to 5, we get about half an inch. Not this time. I do want to show you this here real quick, and then we'll get to the kitchen. But you have a nice little loft here, plenty of extra sleeping space. You could definitely fit 2 adults in there, or a couple kids, no problem. So that's always nice to have that up there for you, whether it's for storage or it's for sleeping. But I do like how they did the LED lights up here above this. I think it just adds a nice finish to it. When you turn off the lights, you can keep that accent lighting on, above that and above the cabinets. So that way you kind of have some duller night lights, I would call them. Residential finish to these bad boys. They're looking sharp, looking good. And then a really nice sink. You got a big size bowl, little sprayer nozzle there. Good to go. Storage is unreal in this camper. From that loft to the pantry to these cabinets, it really doesn't get much better in really any fifth wheel. And I do not mean just toy haulers. So that's definitely a big plus for Voltage there. They did a really good job. And again, if you forgot, this is the Voltage 4225. It's a big boy. It's a thick boy. 16,000 pounds. It's got some stuff in there. Still prepping it. The Insignia, largest in the game, 4 burners. But if you haven't seen this before, it's a little bit newer, last couple years, I suppose. But check out that oven. It's something that you would see, pretty similar to the size of your home. You could fit in a full-size turkey there. So that is another huge bonus, especially considering how you're using this camper. You're going to want to come home to it. a nice little cooked meal. Storage, storage, storage. Don't need to open them all for you. I think you get the point. Let's go back to the garage here, which unfortunately, since it was so snowy, I wasn't able to open the door down. But past that Three Seasons patio door, that is a zero gravity ramp door. That means when you lay it down, lay it up like this, you take your hand, you can let go at any point and it'll stay just where it is. So that's definitely nice, you know, if you got some kids running around, you don't have to worry about bunking their heads or anything like that. A queen size bed here up top on the Happy Jack system. These are in couch mode, but you can flip the headpiece over, so it just right to the middle for additional sleeping. Or you can raise it up nice and flat and get it the heck away from everything. But on the Happy Jack system, to get that bed down, all you do is you lift these two couches, lift that up, relieve the tension, and you just pull the pins there. There's 4 of them for you, and then you can, you know, bring that down for your sleeping. And what I like about this model is it's got another little half bath and your washer and dryer prep. So that way you can put a full stackable washer and dryer if you choose to, if you don't have the toys there. But this half bath, the way that it's set up here, is you can either leave it like this, or while it's in traveling mode, you got this door that's stuck on the magnetic strips right there. So all you have to do is you just give it one good little yank, and then you can pull it around and you can close it off. So there's obviously a little bit of work done there. It got stuck on that, but you pull this latch down, move it into place, you know, and you guys are good to go there, and you got some privacy back here, which is definitely a little bit different. Not a lot of campers have that extra half bath, especially in a toy hauler. That's nice because you are getting down and dirty on the trails and roaming around. More accent lighting up top there, always a nice thing to have. And, you know, I just want to show you this too. The height of these slides is absolutely enormous. So I am 6 feet tall, and there is plenty of space. What would you say, about a foot? Maybe even a little bit more. So there's plenty of space there for you. Give you one more little peek in here. But now let's head up into the bedroom and the bathroom. And again, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I work really hard at these videos and always trying to get better. So make sure to comment if there's something that I'm missing, some information that you guys need or you're wanting to see me add. And definitely make sure to like and subscribe. Nice, nice bathroom. Definitely good size here. You got this cool little bowl. Fancy, fancy. Place to put all your bathroom knickknacks. Maybe get dressed. Flex a little bit. Show them the guns, baby. Dual entry into here. So you got your door in the hallway. Then one in the bedroom. So that way your guests don't have to get into this area. Insignia TV right in here. Nice little dresser. And again, storage, storage, storage. 4 of those bad boys. Good sized closet. I've definitely seen bigger, but, you know, truth be told, this is about all you really need. Place to hang your clothes and all that good stuff. And then I really like how they partition this off here, too. So you got this. Then you got another set underneath. So there is just tons of stuff where you can put in this camper. Probably more than you really need. Seeing that this thing can, you know, weigh up to about 20,000 pounds. You figure about 500, it will just be personal stuff. There is storage there underneath the bed. You just lift that bad boy up and you're good to go there. But now I'm going to take you around the outside. Probably not do too much out there, just kind of show it to you. And then we'll get on out, and I'm going to hit the icy roads and get back to my hot lady. So again, the 2021 Voltage 4225. A little bit over 16,000 pounds dry. It's got everything you need. I didn't turn on the LED lights, but there are LED strips underneath there like all your campers do pretty much. A second awning. And your More Ride solid steps. You'll notice how sturdy those are. If you've never been in one, for sure they are nice. And you'll see there, frameless windows. Real slick new graphics. Storage out the wazoo, little pass-through guy. Just zip on down there and head on out the other way. Put some batteries there. But really nice camper for sure. Awning 5500 generator with your Rotoflex pin box. Just little added touches that you get when you're buying something as nice as a voltage. And as you can hear and probably see, there's water everywhere from all that snow starting to melt off while we're getting these things prepped. Six-point auto leveling on this bad boy, and why wouldn't it be? It's a triple axle camper. You're spending, you know, in the upper 70s on this thing, so that's definitely something you're going to want. Woo-hoo-hoo! And that is some water. So this is pretty cool right here. You have your emergency shut-off switch right there, but right in here, it's actually a little gas pump, so that way you can fill up your toys on the road. And I also love how they put this little side ladder there. For whatever reason, some companies do not do this, but there's two little pins. You just yank those out and pulls off the wall. So that way it's nice and easy. And there is that back, and that is a party deck. So it'll have rails, a little rail system where it's, you know, you can finish off your area with a little fence for dogs or kids, or, you know, your neighbor Steve that had a couple too many brewskis. But yeah, you just drop that down. Again, zero gravity, so it'll float there while you hook up all your chains and all that good stuff. It's pretty nice. And you can't see it, but right up here is a Furrion observation camera. You can get those added on for $550 installed. Very nice, definitely recommend it. But I think I'll call it for a day on this one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.